We'll start in my office today. I was watching a review video of the 1988 M5 from BMW. That was one of the most awesome cars from my teenage years. But anyway, I'm in my office. Wonderful downtown Chattanooga. I've got another beater review test drive here. Wiener Dog. What's up, Turbo? What's happening, bro? This van that I'm about to show you is my 2001 Toyota Sienna XLE. Now this is a ghetto edition. This van was given to me. I paid nothing for it. There's several reasons why. This is a two-owner van. One owner up until 2007. And then my dad and my stepmom purchased this van from the original owners, their neighbors. Had right at 100,000 miles. As you can see, very common with these Toyota vans, the door handles break and the power doors quit working. So this door does not open at all. This door handle is about to break. It's on its way out, as you can see. It still works, but it's coming apart. Rear door, yeah. Rear door, no, handle's broken. So the rear hatch won't open. So, and plus it's just slightly damaged, as you can see. Little trailer hitch, little trailering mishap. Okay, this door, power door, but does not work. But the door handle is intact, so it will manually slide open and closed. Carpet's pretty trashed, but the seats are surprisingly good. This van never saw little kids. It saw teenage kids. Most of this mess was created by my this is from the leaking sunroof. That's actually water from all the rain we've had. It does have a leaky sunroof. I've got to clean the sunroof drains. This door handle has been replaced. Now, as you can see, this car was used by my stepmom for her to commute to and from work, and she was the only one ever in it. And since it was just a cheap van, she would get in it every morning with her cup of coffee filled to the brim and would just hold it right here with her right hand as she drove to work and let it spill, let it spill, let it spill, let it spill. And I don't blame her. She didn't care. Cheap van, but in 10, 11, almost 11 years, she bought it with 100,000 miles. And in 10 years, she's put 30,000 miles on it. So, not driven a whole lot. But this was an XLE, so this came with all the stuff. The power doors, like I said, they don't work anymore. I wouldn't dare touch one of those buttons because I think if that door is ever opened, it will never shut again. I forgot how my dad got it back closed. But the power sunroof works. Like I said, this is an XLE, so it's top of the line. Power sunroof works. Yeah. But the drain, I got to get up there and clean the drain plugs out because when it rains, it does leak. But that's good, it works. And the power windows, of course, work, and the power locks work. Alright, let's do a startup. Engine runs like a freaking champ, man. We do have the infamous check engine light on. It's for the O2 sensor. It's got a bad O2 sensor. That was another reason why my dad gave it to me. He didn't want to have to, where he lives, he has to get this down near Atlanta. He has to get this thing through emissions every year, and he didn't want to spend the money to have it fixed again, because I think he's done it a few times. But this is the good old 3-liter Toyota V6 variable valve timing BDTI. This is a workhorse of an engine. As far as I know, I think it's pretty bulletproof. You know, as long as you just change oil and do that timing belt, which this one was done at 103,106 in 2013. So, you know, it's got a good current timing belt on it. I might have some leaking valve cover gaskets I need to check and see, but it doesn't leave any marks on the ground, so it's not leaking that bad yet. But it runs very smooth. It's got new belts on it. But let's take it for, oh God, let's take it for a little test drive, shall we? All right. Column shifter, which I love this little skinny column shifter. I would like to find a early Toyota Avalon that had the bench front seat with this column shifter. I think that would be so cool. I've been looking for one to come through the auction with, you know, any of them that would still be out there on the road would have 250,000 to 300,000 miles, but I would jump on it. I'd buy it because it's probably been well maintained. Got cold AC. It's a rough road here, man. Rough road. Good old downtown Chattanooga roads. But this van runs and drives really well. 4-speed automatic, shifts perfect. You know, it only has 130,000 miles. The oil's always been changed. The timing belt's been done. All services have been done at the Toyota dealership. You know, the real issue with this van is just a good cleanup, and to try and get some of these door handles straightened out, and to get a rear hatch put on. I've been looking at LKQ. They have a location here in Chattanooga, and they actually have one of these vans in this color. I've got to go by there and check it out, make sure the tailgate's not damaged, and I've got to figure out on YouTube how to remove one of those lift gates, because I'm going to buy that son of a gun and put on here, especially since they have one in the same color. So I'll fix this van up a little bit. This is going to be my daily driver for a little while. I do have a Volvo XC90 I just picked up recently. I'll do a video on it shortly. And I still got the Lexus ES. So, oh, I picked up a Volkswagen Rutan, a 2011. I'll do a review on it. It's on its way to the beach for spring break with my brother and his kids right now, and then I'm taking it the next week down there, so maybe the review on it will be from the beach in sunny Florida. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick video of this little baby here. I'll try and get squeeze in a little freeway run real quick here. Traffic's already slowing down. That's the beauty of Friday. It's 1 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, and the traffic's already jamming up. People going home early. We also have spring break. Spring break is going on right now in this area, so a lot of people from Michigan and Ohio and what have you passing down this road right here so they can get through and get down to 75 to take them into Atlanta and then on into Florida. But yeah, this little van, it drives and rides really good. I've had it on the interstate and just cruising 75, 85 miles an hour, no problems. Cruise control works well. The steering's very light. The van's a little bit rattly, but hey, who cares, man? For free is good. Free is always good. Yeah, I see the interstate's already getting jammed up. I'm not going to be able to do a freeway pass for crap. I'm going to get out here and go slower than what I was going. Typical. Damn northerners. Nah. Anyway, oh well. I'll cut this video short. Yeah, this was a bad idea. I'll shoot a little separate video freeway run on my way home tonight. Once I get past all this and get on 75, it'll be rolling pretty good and I'll be able to get some good videos. So anyway, y'all have a good one. Peace.